first. The Sensex finally plummeting about 600 points. It closed. It started very weak, down almost 900 points when the trading had begun. Then we saw that recovery coming in towards the second half of the trading session. But what do you suppose we can expect for our markets in the short and medium term, given the fact that volatility is here to stay?
Yes, Shireen, but the Indian market was among the best performing markets. And at the end of the day, 2% is really par for course. If you ask traders that, if you had asked traders that there would be a Brexit event, the global markets would be down 7 to 8%, and you'll get away with 2%. Traders would have taken that with both hands. And that's what happened today. In fact, there was quite a bit of recovery. At one point, we were down 4%, and it didn't look like it was the end of the day. It looked like the markets could slide more. But actually, we had 2% intraday recovery. In fact, the mid-cap index only closed with about 1% cut, and there was an intraday recovery of 3% that we saw in the mid-cap index. A lot of index stocks recovered 4% from day's low. The cash market volumes were high. The F&O volumes were high. But Shireen, what also stands out is that you saw a lot of recovery in domestic-focused stocks, and two themes which played out. The GST-related stocks did well, whether it was the logistics stocks, and the monsoon-related stocks did well. The likes of M&M and a couple of other stocks. So, of course, a day is too early to take a call, but at least the signs of resilience are there. The problem for this market is that a lot of people raise this point that what if we have some parallels to 2008 and we go into a prolonged period of weakness for global markets. If that is the case, then 1 or 2 days of resilience won't count for much. So that's something that we'll find out over the next few days and next few weeks. Fund flow is something that we'll track, and the general consensus is that there will be some FII outflows, but there will be a lot of DII inflows to counter that. So that's something that stands out as of now, and we'll of course see how global markets react over the next 1 week to take a more decisive call.
Oh, absolutely. We're going to be tracking those tickers very, very closely.